Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, June 7th. It's going to be similar to yesterday's. The general idea is showers and thunderstorms are going to continue for the remainder of this week and into the weekend. Again, the same risks. Some of the storms could produce hail, strong winds. Again, some isolated severe storms are possible once again today, and then thunderstorm and some heavy rain risk will continue through the remainder of the week. So a very active pattern. We have a blocking ridge to the east with a upper level low pressure to the south of us moving towards us. And again, southerly flow and a lot of moisture in the area. And here is what's going on. Looking at the satellite imagery, you can see by the rotation this pretty strong upper level low in Southern California, and you're getting southerly flow aloft out ahead of this low, and you can see the moisture mid-high level clouds pouring into Idaho, and this trend will continue for several days, and we're going to get the general afternoon and early evening thunderstorm development continuing. And here is the weather risk outlook. As you can see, it's filled. Basically showers and thunderstorms every single day, today through Sunday. At least some minor to some moderate risk. Again, there is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms today. And any of those storms could produce gusty winds and some, again, localized heavy rainfall. So again, we're going to have the risk of river flooding continuing. Extremely high level snow melt will continue in the mountains. And again, this is going to be perpetual every day for the next several days. Here's a look at some of the rivers where we have flood warnings out. The Big Wood at Hailey, again in minor flooding stage, could rise to moderate later in the week in the Thursday to Friday time frame and continue at moderate levels all the way into next week. Portneuf River at Pocatello, currently at moderate stage, expected to stay there for a few more days, but then possibly showing a decrease to minor flood stage by the weekend into early next week. Portneuf River at Topaz remains in flood stage, as does the Big Lost River at Howell Ranch. And the Bear River at the Wyoming border, again staying in flood stage through the weekend. And also Antelope Creek at Darlington. So again, looking at these river gauges, every one of those is expected to stay at flood stage for the next 6 to 7 days. Looking at the national map, again, low pressure near us, a big upper low, and again, the entire state of Idaho in rain showers, thunderstorms, both today, tomorrow, as well as Friday. High temperatures today, not quite as warm as yesterday, but still widespread 70s into the lower 80s. Low temperatures Thursday morning, very mild above normal, generally 40s mountains, lower to mid 50s, Snake River Plain. A little bit cooler again Wednesday or Thursday, but still above normal, generally mid to upper 70s Snake River Plain, mid 60s to mid 70s in the mountains, and that same trend into Friday. Still very slightly above normal all the way through the remainder of the week. Here is the severe weather outlook for today. Again, all of our forecast areas in a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, and then tomorrow just general thunderstorms. Again, not expected to be quite as good a chance of severe thunderstorms tomorrow. Excessive rain outlook, just a marginal risk, about a 5% chance today and also on Thursday. So again, some of these will produce heavy rain, the stronger thunderstorms for the next several days. And here's the forecast rain amounts today, tomorrow. You can see a lot of the Snake Plain, generally 500s to 1500s. Some of the mountain areas, 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch where the higher elevations are. And then Thursday through Friday, you can see the mountain areas could see some heavier rainfall. Many areas over a 1/2 inch. Again, about a 500s to 2500s west to east up the Snake River Plain. So we're going to see rainfall on many areas for the next several days, 8 to 14 days. A quick look as we get towards the official start of summer, again trending towards below normal temperatures and trending again about a 50 to 70% chance of above normal precipitation, looking at the June 14th to 20th time frame. So again, we're in a very active weather pattern. Some pretty decent June rainfall. Again, strong to severe storms are possible today, with a thunderstorm and localized heavy rain risk continuing through the remainder of the week. That will conclude the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed below 24 hours a day, or visit our website or our site on Facebook and Twitter as well. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.